Meet Laura, a retired teacher, staring at a sea of financial statements. Her hands tremble as she wonders, will her savings last? She's not alone in this worry. By the end, you'll know how to make your savings last a lifetime. Welcome to the Decumulation Blueprint, step by step. Step 1, assess the landscape. Did you know only 30% of retirees have a formal financial plan? Laura's among the 70% at risk of running out of money. It's not just about the money, it's about the plan. Step 2, timing is everything. When should Laura start claiming her Social Security benefits? This timing can significantly impact her total benefits. Laura must choose wisely when to start. If she delays her Social Security, her benefits can increase by up to 8% each year until age 70. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe for more money wisdom. Step 3, tax-smart withdrawals. Did you know tax efficiency can stretch your savings further? Laura considers Roth conversions to lower her future tax burden. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the plan. Step 4, managing risk and longevity. As people age, cognitive decline can significantly impact their financial decisions. Automation and early planning can protect Laura from costly mistakes. With automatic bill pay and investment contributions, she secures her future. It's not just about the money, it's about the plan. Step 5, professional guidance. A recent report shows that working with a financial planner can boost your confidence. Will Laura seek help or go it alone? Professional advice brings clarity. It can transform uncertainty into confidence. Return to Laura, now holding a comprehensive financial plan. Her future looks clear and secure. She's ready to enjoy retirement without fear. To dive deeper, watch our next episode on investment strategies for retirees. See you next time for more money wisdom.